Today we are going to learn how to show history with date and time. Now let's get started. Generally, if you run history command, it will not show you the date and time in which you ran that command. To show this thing, what you need to do is you need to type echo, then you need to first let's uh, list the variable name using which we are going to update this history command format. The variable name is HISTTIMEFORMAT equal to, here I'm going to specify the format. I want to show them in year, then hyphen, then I want to show the month, then I want to show the date, then I finally want to show the time. If I hit enter, it will not return anything. Let's try to run history command again. This time here you can it is showing me the command, the ID, and it also showing the date and time in which I ran this command. Now let's try to open another terminal. Here I'm going to increase my terminal size so that it would be viewable. Now if I try to run history command, here you can see it is not reflected. To make this reflected on all other terminal which I'm going to open in future, what I need to do is I need to use the same thing, and in front I need to type echo. Here I'm going to open single quotes, then I'm going to close this here. This format command I'm going to add in bashrc file. Why I'm adding in bashrc file is, if you add this command on bashrc file, like whenever you open your terminal, it will try to format this by default so that you don't need to configure each and every time. Now let's try to open another terminal. This time when I try to run my history command, I should see the date and time along with the commands. Here you can see it is showing. So it is working fine. Thanks for watching.